Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com. And your chart of the day. Want to take a look at the Ralph Lauren Corporation, ticker RL. I'm actually wearing a Ralph Lauren polo hoodie right now. It's one of my favorite sweaters as it's freezing cold in Alberta, Canada. But this isn't about weather or fashion. It's about making you money. And I certainly think the Ralph Lauren chart is set up for a move. And the thing that gives me that signal is this candle here. You can see after its earnings report, the stock gapped down, but it didn't sell off on the gap down. It actually found buyers and had some of the highest buy volume in months. Ever since then, it's been on a straight shot right back to the highs. Now, it is up after hours, but I would certainly look for a momentum move on RL right above 381. Look for a move through and a close above 381 coming on volume. Now, when I zoom out here, we can see that when this stock gets going, it tends to pull back to the 21-day EMA, and that tends to be a decent spot to get a position. And so if Ralph Lauren is unable to get going here, watch for that pullback to the 21-day. It could be your entry into a nice-looking chart. So that's just one of many things we're watching tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that was helpful. I'll see you next time.